All right, so I really need y'all's help on this one.
Huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in. Here's Johnny.
I found a 2023 Fast Johnnie Road Glide, 5,000 miles, mint condition, beautiful bike, and it was what we're gonna do to replace Clark Kent. But there's only one problem. And now I'm stuck trying to decide. Would you buy it? Now let's just be honest, this ain't just any Road Glide, it's a Fast Johnnie. We talking low miles, clean setup, beautiful bike, and the price, oh my God, way below market value. Here's the 411 on the bike. The seller tells me that a truck backed into the bike and damaged the front forks. Now the insurance company totaled the bike out and it had to be rebuilt. Now that doesn't sound terrible on paper, but I know from just you guys out there in the community, rebuilt titles scare people for a reason. Here's the thing, some people hear rebuilt titles and instantly say, absolutely not. They think hidden damage, unsafe, and just an absolute disaster. Honestly, some rebuilt bikes are disasters. They are done by uncertified technicians who don't know the craft, and you'll get hidden problems, and as you, the buyer, you're gonna be stuck with that thing, and virtually it's gonna be a bike that you can't get rid of. So let's go ahead and flip it the other way around. Now, some people are out there and they're riding around with rebuilt titles and they have zero issues, but most importantly, they were able to get their dream bike and save thousands. But mentally, that rebuilt title stays in the back of my mind. The question of the day to each and every one of you out there, what's the truth? Guys, are you for rebuilt titles or against? Leave me something in the comments below. This is gonna be the debate of the day. Let's dig in. It's not about whether the bike is fixed. It's more about whether you can fully trust it when you're out on the road. And that, to me, is always gonna stick in the back of my mind. All right, fellas, so let's go ahead and take the gloves off and keep it 100% real. Part of the rebuilt title fear, it's not even about the mechanical, it's the social aspect of it. Guys, a lot of people are ashamed to say that they're riding around on a rebuilt title bike. So let's go ahead and look at both sides, because there's always both two sides to a story. Now, a lot of people out there think a rebuilt title is a great way to grab a bike that you could have never got. Now, other people on the other hand think it is a great idea to go to Harley and pay thousands and thousands of dollars for a brand new bike. Want to know where you guys are at on the fence with this? So that's where I'm at right now, guys. I am trying to figure it out. The question I keep asking myself, is this a great opportunity or a big mistake? So I want real opinions out there. Would you buy a rebuilt Harley-Davidson or would you back away? All right, fellas, so at the end of the day, this is what it boils down to. I can have the bike of my dreams, always wanted a Fast Johnnie. It's 5,000 miles, absolutely amazing bike. I stopped in, and shout out to Rob Miller, the general manager at Hall of Fame Harley-Davidson, and he sat down with me and we went over the pros and cons. Now, one thing I did not know about a rebuilt title, and you guys should probably know that before you make a decision, Harley-Davidson will not touch a rebuilt title or a salvage title bike. So you can't get financed for that either. So if you guys do purchase a bike like this, it is going to be hard to sell it. You're going to get lowball offers And also, you're gonna have to get an only cash offer if you wanna sell it. These are just options that we went over with, and I wanna make you guys aware of that. But I really appreciate you guys watching the video. I cannot wait to see your responses, man. We're ready to go grab this bike, but I wanna know what you guys think out there. All right, so until next time, keep those 2 wheels down. Peace. Man, the garage is so empty right now. I'm going through motorcycle withdrawal. Guys, leave me something in the comments below. Let me know what you think about that rebuild title. Peace out.